artificial intelligence, au ukipenda kwa Kiswahili sanifu inaitwa akili mnemba ama akili bandia, ukitumia Kiswahili shagala baghala kwenye Mungu alipenda kusema. Anyway, listen to this.
Wasee, hii ni true story ya ndoto ya kuwa influencer mtaani. Kwa hood, kuwa influencer imekuwa ndoto ya mayouth wengi. Shanti, dem mdogo mtaani, alikuwa na hiyo dream.
Yani sauti ya msichana akiongea shame. Now listen to this.
Nutrition poa ina help kumake sure watoi wana grow V-smart, kimwili na kiakili. Vitu kama fruits, mboga, proteins, calcium na vitamins zingine mob ni essential sana kwa growth ya bones na development ya brain. Kudema poa inamaanisha mtoi anakuwa na immune system ya kufight magonjwa kaninja. Yaani hata kama kuna flu inazunguka mtaani yeye ako steady vinoma. Hakuna risto za kupelekwa hosi kila matime. Tukido hivi tutakuwa tunajenga generation ya malegend. Na si unajua future iko mikono ya hawa wa junior. Wacha tuwage start kwa maishani.
The first audio is an original recording of a girl speaking Shen. The second one is the same voice, except this one is completely AI generated, using the first recording as a sample. This is called a synthetic voice. We tend to think that if an AI were to speak, it will sound like a robot, but with the power of synthetic voices, AI can sound just like a human being. It's like this movie, Super Intelligence. It's a great movie about AI. You should watch it. With just a 15-second sample of someone speaking, Voice Engine can generate an audio of anyone saying just about anything. Voice Engine is an AI tool created by OpenAI in 2022, even before ChatGPT was released. But despite being created 2 years ago, this tool is not yet available to the general public. Currently, Voice Engine is only available to trusted partners. It is also being used to power ChatGPT voice. According to this blog by OpenAI, Voice Engine is being used by trusted third-party applications to provide reading assistance, translate content, support people who can't speak, and even help patients recover their voice. So, why hasn't Voice Engine been released for use by the general public? Here's the thing. Creating advanced AI tools is an engineering problem first. But once you solve the engineering problems, you now have to make sure that such powerful AI tools cannot be misused when released to the general public. This introduces a safety and ethical problem. And the ethical questions on AI not only involve developers, but also users. For this reason, it is important that AI developers inform people about the capabilities of the tools they're creating so that we can share ideas on how to use them creatively and responsibly. And that is why OpenAI has been publishing blogs about the latest AI models. With the latest developments from OpenAI, it is becoming clear that generative AI is getting really good. We now have machine learning models that can understand and generate natural language. On top of that, we have models that can use this understanding of natural language to generate images and photorealistic videos from a text prompt. If you think about this, it's like computers not only understand natural language, but they also seem to mimic an imagination. And it goes further, because there are also models that can generate synthetic voices to sound like any human. Thanks to generative AI models, computers are getting better and better at mimicking human behavior. But that's not the scary part. It is possible to integrate control elements that make generative AI models more powerful and autonomous. This will have a ton of implications, especially on people's jobs. For example, let's think about call centers offering customer service. Today, when you call customer care, you're first greeted with an automated voice which asks the nature of the problem. This automated voice follows a given script. It tells you, press this button for this service. When you press that button, it initiates a given process. For example, retrieving your POK and sending it to you. This helps sort out common issues, but a human agent is still needed to sort out complex requests. Today, we have large language models with reasoning capabilities and also models that can generate synthetic voices. So now, it is possible to combine these new models and integrate an element of control, giving them power to initiate computer requests, such as retrieving my PUK and sending it to me. The result of merging all this is a customer care service made up of only chatbots which can understand you and reason with you. They will also sound just like a person, and they can initiate computer requests to access customer records and help with any type of problem, like a human agent would. Some companies have already started implementing this. Kampuni kama Safaricom labda washaanza kufikiria venye watafanya hivi. It's just a matter of time. With all this, I think it's reasonable to say that customer service jobs are going to disappear in the next few years. Already, models like Sora are being released to movie studios so that they can figure out creative ways to use it. Voice Engine is also finding useful applications. Soon, these models are going to be widely available, and this is just the beginning of what you can do using AI. The concept of integrating control functions into generative AI models will be fully exploited when we create an operating system based on a large language model. An LLM OS is likely how AGI will be achieved. Companies like OpenAI and other leading tech companies are allocating plenty of resources towards realizing this goal. A lot is happening in the world of AI. Akili mnemba itabadilisha mambo mengi. I hope this video gives you something to think about. As always, the future is electric. Thanks for watching. Peace.